Hey, Preston.
Hey, that's my finger you're chewing on, buddy.
Lawnmower. You gonna eat your chips?
You bite your finger. You don't bite mine. You can bite your finger.
What about that gorilla? Did we see a gorilla yet? A big gorilla that was swinging on the rope. What was it? Orangutan. Yeah.
Oh my God. It's a mama do.
What?
It's a mama do.
Got a mama?
A mama.
Lawnmower.
Yeah, he's cleaning up the grasses, huh? Is that the landscaper?
Huh?
Watch out, don't slip.
Slide down there a little bit. Okay. Oh. Then I can get your face.
Oh, whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Okay, no more chips for Rylan. No, no more chips. No more chips for Rylan. No. Okay. No, don't do that. That's not nice.
Oh.
Thank you. Stop that. Stop that. Swallow your food. Want to go look at some more animals? Huh?
Want to go see the zebras?
Should we go look at more animals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's clean up this mess.
Get your juice.
Careful, don't spill anything.
Here, Preston, I'm not going to throw that juice away. I'm going to put it in your bottle. Put it in the bottle.